In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expense categories in QuickBooks Online. If you're a business owner or bookkeeper, keeping your finances organized is essential, and QuickBooks Online makes it easier than ever. One of the most effective ways to track your spending is by creating specific expense categories that suit your needs. Whether it's office supplies, travel expenses, or software subscriptions, having these categories allows you to gain a clearer picture of where your money is going. And if you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, navigate to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where you'll find most of the tools to customize and manage your QuickBooks Online account. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts. Select it, and this will take you to the Chart of Accounts page, which is essentially the hub for managing all your business accounts. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, look to the top right corner once again. You'll see a button labeled New Account. Click on that, and this is where the magic happens. This is where you'll create your new expense category. Now it's time to name your account. Enter a name that's clear, specific, and practical. For example, if you're tracking office expenses, you might name it Office Supplies. If it's for recurring software tools, something like Software Subscriptions works well. Choose a name that will make it easy for you or anyone else looking at your records to understand what the category is for. Next, you'll need to select the account type. Since we're creating an expense category, you'll choose Expense as the account type. This tells QuickBooks that this account is specifically for tracking outgoing business costs. Once you've set the account type, it's time to choose the detail type. This is a more specific subcategory that helps describe the type of spending. For instance, if your expense category is for office-related costs, you might choose Office General Administrative Expenses. If it's for memberships or subscriptions, select Dues and Subscriptions. And for travel costs, Travel is a great fit. Take a moment to find the detail type that matches your needs most closely. If you'd like, you can also add a description. This step is optional, but it can be helpful to include a brief note about what this category is for. For example, you might write something like for tracking purchases of pens, paper, and other office needs under an office supplies category. Adding a description can be especially useful for keeping things clear for anyone who might need to work with your accounts in the future. Once you've entered all the necessary details and double-checked everything, it's time to save your new expense category. Simply click the Save button, and just like that, your new category is created and ready to use. From here, you can start using your new expense category right away. Whether you're entering expenses, recording bills, writing checks, or managing credit card charges, you'll now see your new category available in the drop-down list of expense accounts. Select it whenever you need to track costs that belong in this category. And if you ever need to make changes to the account, like updating the name or adjusting the details, you can always return to the Chart of Accounts. Find your account in the list, click on it, and make the edits you need. QuickBooks makes it simple to keep things up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.